Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our analysis for this Monday through Wednesday, November 1st to 3, 2021, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. To begin the week, here's the latest graph set, beginning today until tomorrow, Tuesday. We still have the Northeast Monsoon affecting much of Luzon, and it will bring some windy conditions all across the island, with some passing showers across the eastern seaboards of Cagayan Valley down to northern Quezon and some portions of northern Bicol region, while the rest will remain dry, windy with winds of up to 40 kph. That's the highest gust, averaging between 20 to 30 kph blowing from the northeast, and the seas will be rough and dangerous to the small sea crafts. While across Visayas, Mimaropa, northern Mindanao, and Sulu Archipelago, we have the weaker northeasterly surface wind flow. So this will also bring some breezy conditions of 20 to 30 kph max, and some and the seas around these areas will be moderate to rough. And there are some showers expected, with a little bit of a thunderstorms here across the northern sections of Mindanao, as well as the southern portions of the Visayas. We have an approaching surface trough affecting the whole island of Mindanao, and in the next few days this will bring some rainfall across the Visayas. This is was once the circulation of LPA 90W, so it weakened and dissipated into a surface trough, so it is no longer expected to regain low pressure status. So this is good news for us. And outside of PAR, we don't have any developing LPAs or tropical cyclone that is expected to develop within the next 5 days based on the latest computer models. If we take a look at the fast animation, you can clearly see here the cloudiness associated with the surface trough, bringing some rains across Mindanao. And so far, it's all clear across the Western Pacific. If we take a look now at the windy.com European model rain forecast for the next 24 hours, beginning 8 a.m. this morning until 8 a.m. tomorrow, there could be some rains and rains with some thunderstorms across eastern and northeastern Mindanao. That's across the Carga region, particularly over Surigao provinces. So this is due to the surface trough and the northeasterly surface wind flow, which is also affecting eastern Visayas. While over the eastern sections of Aurora province, Isabela down to northern Quezon, there could be also some showers brought about by the northeast monsoon, with a little drizzles over the areas of Camarines Norte. The rest will have drier conditions all throughout Luzon and some portions of the Visayas. So that's the 24-hour rainfall forecast. Now here's the zoom in satellite animation so that you'll have an idea what will be in store for the next few hours. Here's the cloudiness or thunderstorms, many thunderstorms forming across Mindanao, brought about by the northeasterly surface wind flow over to the northern parts of Mindanao and the surface trough in the rest of Mindanao. So these are thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon or evening, and it is expected to weaken through the evening, while the rest will remain dry with some showers or drizzles along the eastern sections of Luzon because of the northeast surface monsoonal flow, or the northeast monsoon, or in Tagalog it's known as Amihan. And for the next 3 days, we expect rains to prevail across the eastern sections of Visayas, various sections of Mindanao, as well as the Sulu Archipelago, Palawan, and central and western sections of Visayas, particularly northern Panay and the northernmost point of Negros Island, as well as northern Cebu. While here over the Bicol region, there could be some showers across the coastal areas of the Bicol region facing the Philippine Sea, including Catanduanes, and the eastern seaboards of Albay and Sorsogon, and it will be more frequent along the northern sections of Quezon, those facing the Philippine Sea. That includes Pulilio Island and areas like Mauban and Alabat. So there could be some showers and thunderstorms there, as well as the northeastern sections of Mindoro. That's the area of Oriental Mindoro where Calapan is located. So there could be some showers or thunderstorms brought about by the northeasterly surface wind flow. Okay, so that's the latest. If you take a look at the 3-day forecast until Wednesday, courtesy of European model, in the afternoon, tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday, there could be some showers and thunderstorms across the Visayas and Mindanao and along the eastern sections of the Bicol region as well. And by Wednesday afternoon, rain showers and thunderstorms may still be expected across Mimaropa, Visayas, and Mindanao because of the convergence of the northeasterly surface wind flow and some easterlies here along the southern portions of the Philippines, while the northeast monsoon will continue to prevail across the Luzon area, becoming more frequent along the eastern sections from Cagayan Valley down to the Bicol region. So there could be some showers facing the Philippine Sea, those areas like Caramuan Peninsula, Partido District, Catanduanes, Eastern Albay, and the areas of Sorsogon, and also over the areas of Masbate. So don't forget to bring your umbrella and jackets, just in case there could be some rains and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Usually early evening, there could be some passing showers, or early morning. So far, that's the latest for this 3-day outlook here at Typhoon 2000. So we will be back on Wednesday to give you more update on the weather situation across the Philippines, as well as looking along the horizon for possible tropical cyclone development. So far, for the next 5 to 7 days until November 10, it's all clear. No tropical cyclone formation, but there could be some shallow low pressure areas developing over the Western Pacific. But so far as of this time, based on the new model output, there are no developing LPAs until November 10. So we'll see on Wednesday what will be the new forecast. Again, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.